Are you flying airplane?
Yeah.
With all the controls? What are you gonna say? See you later. Are you gonna go take off?
See? Yes. That's an engine.
That's an engine?
Do you want to see the engine? Daddy can show you the engine.
Wow.
You gonna be a pilot someday?
Yeah.
You gonna fly with Daddy? Daddy flies this plane, huh?
Yeah.
Hey.
I actually have. I have flown this one a couple times. Oh, like the skeleton there.
So Daddy, you're a multi-engine pilot now, huh?
Yep. Commercial multi, but not commercial single. It's weird.
You gotta get one more thing, huh?
One more rating.
And then you become an instructor.
Yep.
We're at the Auburn airport right now. Someone's going out to taxi, it looks like. We're headed to Atlanta, so Damien and
Okay,
Daddy can go catch a big airplane and go see Grandma and Grandpa in California. Hop on? Are you gonna take us for a ride, Avery?
Yeah.
Okay, say see you later, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Bye.